Hey everyone, it's been a while I haven't made a video, but I'm starting to have more and more time, so I'll try to post up more content now that everyone's kind of stuck at home, more or less. So I was doing a cleanup of my little work area and had a bunch of non-working PlayStation 2 controllers. Haven't done much with them. I'd received a bunch of them worked, a bunch of them didn't. Some of them I used for parts to fix other ones, and that was it. Broken ones don't have much value. I'm trying to kind of keep a box of them, and then I'll sell them all broken together, at least the untouched ones. Hopefully someone else could fix them and make some money, but I'm not super handy with the type of repairs they need, so I don't bother doing any repairs when it's not super easy. So I have this one that's completely in pieces, so this is what it looks like inside. It's not much, a bunch of plastic, nice long cable, no gold in the tip here. On the actual board, there's not too much. It's a brown board, so the value is very limited. I think brown boards are about 15 cents a pound on board sort. So IC chip with a little bit of gold. And there's the cable here, which doesn't really detach. I kind of probably have to break it. But I don't think there's much to that either. Oh, there you go. So I ripped it off. Maybe some gold here in the pins, but I'm not sure. Well, look at that. Just ripped off completely. But from the looks of it, it doesn't look like there's gold. Let me pull out the pins from the connector. At least one. And from the looks of it, you can't really see it, but super faint gold plating. So if you see this on a PS2 controller and pull out the pins, there's like a super very light coating of pins. You also have these guys here. So small copper bearing motors. Honestly, I'd say there's like 20 cents worth of scrap here. Obviously, the goal is not to make money on just one item that you scrap, but the point is to hoard this stuff, and when you have enough scrap, you bring it to the scrapyard. So, if you guys ever wondered what was in a PS2 controller, very limited amount of gold. There's the mylar here, which has some silver like keyboards, probably not too much, and also there's silver in the switches here, and that's pretty much it. Tiny amount of gold, tiny amount of silver, and I'm guessing most of the value is going to be on the cable. So that's it for this video, guys. Like I said, I'll try to add a few more while we're all at home doing nothing. So be safe, and see you guys soon. Oh, also like and subscribe. If you guys have any comments or suggestions, all ears. Talk to you guys soon.